this Gas Network Copilot Advisor being created. Now, what we're going to see is we're going to test this agent and see how we are getting the output. So first, I would like to start with a simple pressure imbalance, right? So let me give the keyword pressure imbalance detection and see what it does. So ideally, I'm expecting it to go and fetch the data from the table and see where the pressure imbalance is because I'm not giving the details here. My agent should do that for me. We'll see if it will do it. Okay, wonderful. So it went and checked the alert because I'm just mentioning imbalance. There are no alerts. So and then it's saying it gave an overview of all the details and it checked low pressure south, flow imbalance west region, all the regions it had and related issue it is like analyzed. I'm saying this is just there's nothing like that. It is able to identify there's no alert, there's no pressure. Just good, right? Let me try another scenario. Probably I will try uh, to check how the demand searches is it able to identify or not. So I'm giving evening residual demand spikes in multiple zones. Let's see what it does. Is it able to identify something and advise us for that? It's looking for its knowledge source, searching the data. All of these data, as I keep mentioning, it is always grounded. So as you can see here also, you can see demand pattern from where it is fetching these insight. It has been showing us all along. Okay. Because I asked for evening residual demand spike, it is given a time assumed 5 to 10 p.m., which is evening, yes. And then the spikes are evident in whichever cluster it is. It is displaying the cluster name and approximately what is the range unit. So this pattern is consistent across different seasons. Okay, so it's not based on the season, also, it's concluding. Monitoring these periods closely and preparing for higher demand during these hours can help maintain network stability and ensure adequate supply to all affected zones. This is good. It is giving me the recommendation. So, time, because I gave evening, it is able to get the timeline and get the readings, see where the spikes is, which cluster in which region has the spikes, and then it is giving its recommendation. Now, let me try something else. I would like to try what happens. Is it able to identify or tell me what should I do during a plant maintenance? So I'm giving a scenario to it saying a valve is planned to be closed for maintenance. Let's see what it does. It is still searching. Hmm. Okay. The most recently updated valve in the gas network are all currently active. Okay. So what it does is because I gave a valve was planned for maintenance and we are planning to close it. So it went and checked when was the recent update happened, when is the maintenance due, and then it is saying the operational status and it is telling me all are active. You don't actually have any pending maintenance, which is Wonderful, right? Yeah. And it went and checked the data then only. So what happens if there's an emergency shutdown? Let's see what it tells. Okay, the most recent unplanned valve shutdown in the gas network due to safety concerns involve valve B1. It is giving me the name of the valve in the east segment. Okay, it's giving the recent one. The valve is currently closed and marked as active with its last maintenance performed on date. It is giving no other recent shutdowns has been identified. So it is able to identify where the recent shutdown has been and where, which wall, which region, when was it maintained last, is it active or not. This gives me so it's like it has all the up to date information, and it is like it's cool.